Hi friends, very good morning all of you. Today I am back with a very useful tool and technique for every CA student. Not only a CA student, whatever the course you are reading, whatever the competitive exam or a professional examination or even graduation 10th, 11th, 12th, it might not need this level of strategy and preparation, but if you are writing any entrance exam or if you are writing any competitive exam or if you are writing any professional exam, this kind of strategy and smartness is pretty much required. So my teacher told me one thing, okay, if you are playing boxing, if you are training to be a champion, so you have the glow and you are super excited and you are punching the punch bag or you are punching the wall just with excitement. Do you know one thing? If you punch in a wrong way, it will not kick the other person, it will hurt your hand, and there can be a risk that your bone will be fractured. So you are hitting the other person, your bone will be fractured. How risky it is? So simply because you have a punch bag and you have glove, it is not enough. You should know the technique. You should know the technique. And also, it is a very well-known dictum in English that says that which is monitored and controlled grows, that which cannot grow dies. What is that? That which is controlled and monitored, that grows, that which cannot grow, that dies. The same thing with a CA student or CMS student also, or any student also. If you are progressing inch by inch, I am not saying kilometer by kilometer, inch by inch, brick by brick, itna progress, thoda, little, that accumulates the confidence in you. Especially in a course like CA, where many students, they do repeated attempts, first attempt, second attempt, third attempt. So after that, they come to a mindset that what the hell is wrong with me? In my +1, +2, I got 90s. And I have been, a very good student since my childhood. What's wrong with CA exams here? I am unable to cope up. It is the point where you need to introspect. It is the point where you need to introspect. Now, I am going to introduce a superb technique on how to monitor yourself. Am I on right direction? Question number 1. What is question number 1? Am I on right direction? Question number 2. Being on the right direction itself is not enough unless you accelerate and move. So you attend any personality development class or motivation class, or you attend this strategy at a higher level, they say only 2 things. To achieve your goal, you need to have 2 things. 1, you should be on the right track. 2, you should run with adequate speed. If you do not know how fast you need to accelerate, it is something like a video game. You reached, but you do many car games and all, no? So you reached, but you failed. You're not there in top 3. You're not there in top 10. You're not there in, successful students list. You reached. What is the use? You need to accelerate. Now the question is, I'll ask you one question. Can you answer? Are you on the right track of passing examination in this May 2021? Don't give emotional impulsive answer. Yes, sir, I am preparing, sir, I will. Beta, that is emotional. That is impulsive. Yeah, I am studying well. You are lying. I am on the track. No. Have you evaluated? Or do you have any benchmark to evaluate? Do you know how to measure at least? If you do not know, trust me, in the next 2-3 minutes, I am going to tell you what to do. The best way of measuring your level of understanding and the preparedness in a subject is, there is only one technique. Write the exam. Write the exam. That's all. There is no other way. Only when you write the exam, then you understand, okay, I am on the right track. Or at least you are on the wrong side, or your level of preparation is not enough. At least you'll understand that, no? That you need to put more efforts. So straight, if you're writing ICI exam, you are going to the match directly without net practice. Without net practice, even if you are Sachin Tendulkar also, even if you are Cristiano Ronaldo or Messi also, you should not go. You should go only with adequate preparation. That is what they say, Do you know what they say? A soldier that sweats the most in the preparation. The soldier that sweats the most in the gym is the person who bleeds the least in the war. So in the war, if you want to bleed the least, in the preparation you need to be the best. In the exam hall, if you do not want to get panic attacks and you do not want to gasp for the breath, or you do not want to crumble down and cry in the exam hall, you do not want that, then better the only thing is you need to practice writing exams before. That's all. What can be a shortcut than this? Isn't it? Isn't it? I have seen some of the portals, they give test series and all, chapter wise test series or topic wise test series or mock exams, 50%, 50%, 70%, 30%. I've seen so many portals. But I was surprised to see some portals are charging as high as 15,000 rupees per test series. I have seen portals that charge 1 lakh rupees for CPA USA and CMA USA. That I know. Even I teach CPA CMA, because they are in dollars, it wouldn't make any difference. So international student, he can pay. So I know in Becker and Wiley, 91,000 rupees you need to pay for the material. Yes. Students are okay. For MCQ test they'll pay, for test series they'll pay, for flashcards they'll pay money, for videos they'll pay money, for content they pay money. So that is a different ball game. But in the context of Indian student who's paying money in rupees, do you think a student will be able to pay 15,000 rupees for test series? I think no. Even if I am a student, I might not be able to pay 15,000. I am not saying that their test series is not of 15,000 rupees value. Maybe the gentleman or the company or the organization who is giving that test series for 15,000, maybe they are giving you value for 20,000 rupees. I don't know. But as a student, can you afford it? That is the question. Now, I started giving test series. This is my, fourth successive batch where I am giving test series. For Jan exams, we have conducted test series. For before November exams, we have conducted. May exams, we have conducted. Before COVID, we have conducted. Then I used to call it TQM batch. Okay, and before that one batch, COE batch, we used to call Center of Excellence. So whatever the name is, this strategy works. Okay. So far, I taught thousands of students and I have seen hundreds of rankers, and I've seen thousands of people who are successful in both, intermediate level and final level of chartered accountancy, cost accountancy. One thing is common in all of them. They stick to a plan and they write exams, they write assignments. So if you are in a batch of 100 students in your academy, some student might have cleared both the groups, some student might have got rank. Just try to understand how they prepared. If the institution is conducting exams, that student who passed both the groups might have written every exam. I know students who, because of some reason, couldn't write exam one day. The next day, after 5 o'clock, everybody will leave the college, but this particular student goes to the coordinator and say, ma'am, yesterday you have conducted tax exam, no PGBP, I couldn't write, can you give me question paper? Now I'll write. That is the dedication of the students. So definitely these kind of students will pass, no? So what I am saying is, I have put a lot of effort in designing this test series and all. Now imagine at my level, at my experience, for my earnings, those who know personally me, do you think I need to work for 299 rupees? Now you might say, Pawan sir, but that 100 to 99 rupees materiality, you taught us materiality at individual item level, materiality at collective level, materiality at financial statement level. But I'll tell you one thing. If you are looking at materiality at my financial statement level, half of the Indian student wrote the exams also. That will not be material in my P&L balance sheet. Okay. So maybe I'm little exaggerating, touch wood, but try to understand the intention behind this test series is purely to give benefit to the students. Some of the students asked, Pawan sir, can I pay by debit card? Can I pay by credit card? Previously, we have not accepted debit card, credit card. Some students said, Pawan sir, if you can allow me to pay any course by credit card, I'll use my friend's credit card, I use my brother's or father's credit card, and I'll convert that into EMIs and I'll pay for 6 months. I considered it is a genuine request. So the best thing is we have come up with payment gateways wherein you can pay 99 rupees also using Google Pay, using any UPI ID, using Phone Pay or IMPS, then any that NEFT, RTGS, whatever it is. RTGS will be for a bigger amount. Okay. So and using debit card, credit cards. So now I will tell you what are you supposed to do to use this test series. So you have downloaded CAP Classes mobile app now. CAP Classes Android app is there, iOS app is there, and 3,800 students have downloaded and started using that. Now look here, this is the dashboard. It appears like this. Okay. It appears like this. So here there are many courses now. So you can go to test series. So when you open, go to store. There is something called store. In the mobile app, CAP Classes app, when you open, there is something called store. So go to test series there. You will get what you want. Ta-da! So subject wise, this is example for CA IPCC. Okay, same thing we have for final also. Same thing we have for final also. Inter also, not for final. I'm so sorry. CA IPCC old syllabus is shown on the screen just for example. CA intermediate new syllabus also it is there. Now, can you see for CA IPCC law, then costing and FM, can you see advanced accounting, then can you see ITSM, can you see group 1, can you see both the groups, can you see group 2 is also there, other subjects are also there, everything is there. Okay, now go to one particular course. Say for example, I want audited and assurance. So what is the fee? Can you see 290 rupees here? 290 rupees. So including internet handling charges, if you look above me, 297 rupees. So I promised it at 299. I am giving it at 297 only, 297.62 because internet handling charges are there. No, I reduced my share. Okay, now can you see 6 files here? Can you see 2 months duration? And the beauty of this test series is you don't need to write exams as per my schedule. I will give you one schedule. Okay, so can you see here IPCC audit 5 test bolke one file. When you click that file, you will get this. Okay, how beautiful and simple the system is. There are 5 part-wise examinations followed by one mock test. For mock test itself, people are charging 299. So I am charging 299 for 5 50 marks exams plus followed by one mock test. So Pawan sir, when should I write exam? Any day, any time, any place. But the only thing is you should be conscious enough, no cheating. You are voluntarily writing exam. Voluntarily, if you cheat, then there is no fun. So 5 tests, how I have divided. Part 1 will be chapter 1 and 2, nature of auditing, basic concepts, will be for 50 marks. Then 3 and 4, preparation for an audit, internal controls. It will be for 50 marks. 5 and 6, vouching, verification of assets and liabilities, 50 marks. Chapter 7, company audit 1, 50 marks. Then part 5, chapter 8 and 9, company audit 2 and special audits, 50 marks. Then what about standards? Standards will be included in respective topics. For example, chapter 3 is there, preparation for audit. There are so many standards in that. Chapter 1 and 2, there are so many standards in that. Chapter, this here, audit, company audit 1. There, audit report standards will come 700 and all, CARO 700 all included. So it covers 100% of the syllabus. So how to write the exams? You can pay using this payment gateway. When you say, I want this, you can pay it off. Payment option will be there. When you pay, this content will be there, no? In the content, there are 6 papers, part 1 question paper, part 2 question paper, part 3 question paper, part 4 question paper, part 5 question paper. So here locked is there, no? When you pay money, automatically next second it will be unlocked. Okay, now Pawan sir, I don't know what is there in part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5. Beta, for that we have put this schedule which is unlocked. That means even without purchasing the course also you can read this. If you like the system, then only you. Then one more mock test. We are preparing mock test papers. Once the mock test paper is ready, that will be uploaded to the same drive. If you pay 299 rupees today without paying 1 rupee extra, in the same place you will see the mock test also. You understand? So as I told you, you have, mock test for all these subjects. You understand? So I sincerely suggest you, 290 rupees is not a big deal, okay? Compared to your efforts, how much you are putting, 290 definitely is not a big deal. So subscribe to one test series, download the schedule, prepare according to your own convenience, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, you decide. For example, imagine, only one wild example I am telling you. I want for costing and FM and law. I do not want all the 4 papers. I am very confident in accounting. I am damn confident in, that taxation. I want only for law and costing FM. So then how you need to plan, costing FM part 1, I'll study today, evening I'll write exam. Law part 1 I'll read tomorrow and I write exam the second day. Third day I'll read costing FM part 2 and I write exam. Fourth day I read law part 2. Fifth day costing FM part 3, law part 3, costing FM part 4, law part 4. If you do like this, in 10 days you can complete costing and FM and law. How beautiful this system is. Pawan sir, I am writing only one group. Pawan sir, I have 50 days. Today is only, 4th April. I have ample time in my hand. Then happily write one exam in 2 days or 3 days. Because there are only 10 exams in 2 papers, no? Write one exam in 3 days. Even then you can complete happily in 30 days span. So go with your pace. Now one student says, Pawan sir, I am writing both the groups, Pawan sir. Then write one exam every day. One exam every day. If you write one exam every day, 40 days, 8 papers. In group 1, in IPCC, there are only 7 papers. In CA Inter, there are 8 papers. Imagine 8 papers into 5 parts each paper. How many test series, how many question papers are there? 40 days you can complete. Within 40 days you can complete both the groups, no? So study according to this plan. So I personally feel this is the best thing in which a student can, a student can prepare for the exams. Even my counterpart, my own colleague, the person who is working with me in this CAP classes project, who is also a professionally qualified chartered accountant, he was a student under me. He told me one thing, Pawan sir, you teach costing, you teach FM, no fool will price this at 290 because for evaluation itself, we have to spend the whole money. I said, I earned enough money, no? In teaching itself, I earned enough money. So I really don't need to earn profit on this test series. That is my whole objective. I don't need to really earn money on this test series. Even if it is cost to me also, if student gets benefit and that happiness or blessings come to me, enough. So I sincerely and I strongly recommend you, please download this app. Download the schedule free of cost. For that you need not pay. If you are comfortable, then go to that 290 rupees payment gateway, pay the fee. Next second, all the question papers will be downloaded in your mobile itself. When you write the exam at your convenience, there is 2 months validity for every course. 2 months validity. That means up to May exams you can. So write the exam, scan it, send it to my email ID, captestseries@gmail.com. Right? Scan it, send it to my email ID. We will evaluate the paper and along with comments, we will give the evaluated answer sheet to you. If it is required, we'll help you, we'll guide you in what are the common mistakes you are doing, how can you overcome it. And the question papers are carefully prepared. Evaluation of answer sheets will be done by subject experts. And you will feel the value for your effort, for your time and for this money, whatever you have invested. So this is a simple process using technology and using my competence in academics. We have developed a product and this is available for both IPCC students, for both CA, intermediate students as well. Every subject, every topic you have exam. So I wish you all the very best and I hope maximum students will get the benefit of this test series and come up with smiling face and flying colors in the examination results day. Okay, wish you good luck. Thank you so much.